Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be recreating a number sign I saw on Pinterest the other day. So instead of going out and buying new wood, I decided why not use what I already have. So I got an old drawer of mine and I started building. So I started by removing all screws. You want to take apart all sides of the drawer. Two of those planks will serve as the back of the number sign and the other will be cut into pieces to make the garden box. Because this wood is so thin, I would not use nails. I highly suggest you use wood glue. So between both planks apply the wood glue and hold them together with clamps. These Tetris blocks be coming in clutch. Now that your wood is glued together, create a pattern with your Tetris blocks. So I decided to go straight down just because it looked most similar to the picture I liked. But you can do anything you like, go crazy. So the front side of your garden box should measure 2 1/4 inch by 9 1/8. Again, use the extra plank for this part. The side that serves as the bottom of the garden box should measure 2 inches by 9 1/8. You'll need 2 pieces of wood to serve as your sides. These need to measure 2 1/8 by 2 1/8. This is the layout you should follow. While the wood dries, place it aside and make your stain. I don't have stain on hand, so instead of taking my little ass to Home Depot, I made some instead. I used about 2 teaspoons of water, then added brown and black paint. Alright, so before applying the stain, make sure you have a little piece of something to scrub the stain off. Because the glue would not stain, I decided to add a few more pieces. I got these long sticks at the Dollar Tree.
Please ignore my head.
So you can either buy real succulents or buy fake ones like I did. They're both really cute. Again, I got mine at the Dollar Tree. I really love the Dollar Tree, as you guys can tell. A bit of pop to your sign, you want to add some type of rocks. They serve kind of like a statement piece, so yeah, add some rocks. so y'all gonna hate me, but I got these numbers also at the Dollar Tree. But yeah, just apply the numbers you need. I'd also apply more hot glue just because it gives it more support.